slowly open your eyes and start with you. Now the next part will be a speech on whatever topic you want to give, and there you will incorporate all what you have learned today.
I'm actually enjoying this session and I'm actually feeling good. So this session basically had two parts to it. Firstly was the theory part where ma'am taught us about the principles of communication and how listening and talking, both of them are equally important. And the second part of it was the application part, of these small exercises which we did. So the best part which I liked was the one where you asked us to introduce our other team members. So what I realized was that we take a lot of pride in introducing ourselves and we love ourselves, like, okay. But when we were asked to introduce other, I just realized that, whether I'm introducing the other person with the same amount of enthusiasm and the same amount of pride. So that was a big learning for me, and I'm looking forward to more such insights next.
5 years from today, I see myself as a successful writer and a blogger. So it was a wonderful experience today. It was a wonderful learning experience to be here and to have experienced Sujata ma'am's workshop. And it was amazing to be with all the friends and felt like family. And thank you, ma'am, for changing my perspective, my outlook on life, about life, and the way I perceive things. So thank you so much, ma'am. You're a wonderful person. You're just as wonderful as your workshop was. And I'm looking ahead and forward to work with you again. Thank you so much.
So I feel myself to be very fortunate to have attended this workshop with the study group training and Sujata ma'am. It was a wonderful experience, both in terms of learning and joy. It was not usually when we listen to lectures it gets boring, but Sujata ma'am made this whole workshop so joyful and so playful that we learned a lot through simple exercises, and I'm taking back home techniques, very simple techniques on how I can be a better communicator and touch the heart of my audience. So I am very thankful and I am very happy that I attended this workshop.
Good afternoon everyone. So I have just attended this session of effective communication by Sujata ma'am. It was a very nice session. There are most of the things that I have thought of learning before the sessions, and I think I have my doubts regarding those topics have been cleared. Some of the things that how can I develop my weaknesses in communications, and I have found out some of the effective key points to develop those. Thank you to the whole team who have organized this session. Thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. Effective communication skill as organized by Sujata ma'am was really very effective and very useful for all of us. The tips she has given us is very practical, which will certainly going to help all of us to develop ourselves, communication as well as as a personality development also. So really very thankful to her for organizing this session. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Shushmita Dey. I just came today to attend the workshop on effective communication presented by Sujata ma'am. It was really very empowering and encouraging. I interacted with so many people out here, and the best part of the workshop was that it was not that only the facilitator was giving the presentations and giving lectures, but she made us involved, she made us interacted with each and everyone, made us perform many kind of exercises, games. It was really full of fun and so much enriching. We learned a lot of tools and techniques, and I would definitely suggest all of you to attend this type of workshops if you really want to enhance your soft skills and really want to transform yourself. And I'm also looking forward for more workshops. That's it I want to say. Definitely you should attend the workshop by Sujata ma'am. She's a great person and full of life, and just you will get charged up.